This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Laba garlic pickle. First, select about 500 grams of fresh, firm garlic cloves, peeling them carefully. Next, gather your rice vinegar, sugar, and a clean, sterilized glass jar. The quality of your ingredients directly impacts the final taste and vibrant green color. Ensure your jar is completely dry and airtight to prevent spoilage. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious pickle. Once peeled, it is crucial to ensure your garlic cloves are completely dry. Any moisture can hinder the pickling process and affect preservation. Carefully trim any remaining root ends or blemishes from each clove. Some prefer to lightly prick each clove with a toothpick or a fork. This small step helps the pickling liquid penetrate more effectively, ensuring a uniform flavor and color development throughout. Now, let us prepare the pickling solution. In a saucepan, combine approximately 1 cup of rice vinegar with 2 tablespoons of sugar. Gently heat this mixture over low heat, stirring constantly until all the sugar has completely dissolved. It is important not to boil the solution, simply warm it enough to create a clear brine. Once dissolved, remove it from the heat and allow it to cool completely before pouring it over the garlic. With your garlic ready and brine cooled, it is time to assemble. Carefully place all the prepared garlic cloves into your sterilized glass jar. Then, pour the cooled pickling solution over the garlic, ensuring every clove is fully submerged. Seal the jar tightly with its lid. Store your Laba garlic in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight. Allow it to pickle for at least 15 days. Patience will reward you with a vibrant, green, tangy, and delicious treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.